Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Solutions Hub YouTube channel. It's your friend and technology instructor, Tech Wizard, and this channel is passionate about helping people who are blind or visually impaired to live more independent and fulfilling lives through technology by sharing and uploading the latest news and updates on technology for the blind. From time to time, you will be hearing different voices on the channel who will be covering everything from new assistive devices to accessible apps and softwares. These personalities will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. We will be so glad if you can subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll find our videos helpful and informative. Please feel free to leave comments, share the videos, and suggest topics for future videos. Together we can make technology more accessible for everyone.
Welcome to another tutorial with Tech Solution. Today we'll be looking at shortcuts on the iOS, and taking you on this training is Israel. Shortcut is an app on iOS that creates a shortcut for your device. I have arranged my home page, but on your own it will be on page 2, which you will go by swiping with your 3 fingers, because I'm currently on my first page.
Button, page 2 of 2.
So
Finance folder, 6 app, games folder, 9 apps. Shortcuts.
So shortcuts. On shortcuts, there are 3 tabs. Let's check the 3 tabs.
Shortcuts, tab, 1 of 3.
The first tab is shortcuts, where you create the shortcuts.
Selected, automation, tab, 2
The
of 3.
second tab is automations, where you create automation shortcuts.
Gallery, tab, 3 of 3.
And the third tab is gallery, where there are already made shortcuts that you can search through and see which one you want for what you want to do. So what we are going to do is we are going to look at shortcuts today. In other recordings, we are going to look at the other 2 shortcuts.
Selected, automation, tab, shortcuts, tab,
So
1 of 3.
shortcut tab.
Selected, shortcuts, tab.
The first thing here is edit. That's if you've created shortcut and you want to just start selecting and deleting them in bulk. That's what you press. You press edit, then let's see what it will show.
Edit. Done. Button. Add new folder. Button.
So it just said
Button.
done. So when you select, then you go to the bottom. Then remember, you double tap to select. You go to the bottom, then you see delete. But we don't want to do
Done.
that, so
Button.
I'm going to click on done.
Done. Edit. Button.
So what's the next one?
Add new folder. Button.
Add new folder. That is if you want to create a folder for your shortcuts.
Shortcuts. Heading.
So we are now in the shortcut heading.
10.
So
Forward. Image. All shortcuts. Button.
now this is all shortcuts. So let's click
All
on all
shortcuts.
shortcuts.
Button.
These are all my shortcuts. So let me explain each one to you before we go and try and create a shortcut.
Grid. Button. Create shortcut. Button. All shortcuts. Heading. Search. Search field. Increase. Set brightness.
So
Button.
this is Incrabri. INCR space bright. I just broke increase brightness down into one small word. So I usually leave my brightness to 0. So anytime I activate this Incrabri, it increases my brightness to 80. That is what it does. So this shortcut is currently on my home page.
Decabri. Set brightness. Button.
So Decabri reduces it back to 0.
TVDL4. 165 actions.
This
Button.
TVDL4, it's a Twitter downloader. It's a shortcut. So if I'm on Twitter and I see a video, this one is on my share sheet. If I see a video that I want to download, I just click on the tweet, then click on share, then it will be on my share sheet. Click on this one, then it will come and download it.
Blue Wi-Fi. 2 actions. Button.
So we have blue Wi-Fi. To turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is easy on iPhone. You just go to Control Center and turn it on. But if you want to turn it off, it's difficult. You need to go into settings. So I just created this one that anytime I activate it, it will turn off my Bluetooth and my Wi-Fi.
Starter shortcuts. Heading.
So those are all the shortcuts I have. So today we're going to be creating one because I need a shortcut that when I turn on my Wi-Fi, my mobile data will off. Then when I turn off my Wi-Fi, my mobile data will come on. So that's what we're going to create today. Let's go.
Wi-Fi. 2 actions. Characters. Words. Headings.
Let's jump by headings.
All shortcuts.
All
Heading.
shortcuts. So
Create shortcut. Button.
create shortcut. So I'm going to tap that.
Create shortcut. New shortcut. Actions menu. Button.
So actions menu.
Done. Button. New shortcut. Actions menu.
So
Button.
this is a place where you select which actions you want the shortcut to perform. So
Done. Button.
this is done. When you are done, that's where you come and tap done.
Create a shortcut to actions you do in your apps every day.
Okay, just explaining what shortcut does.
Add action. Button.
Add action.
Next action suggestions. Button. Heading.
Next action suggestions.
Send message. Button.
Send message.
Open app. Button.
It's just giving me suggestions. So what
Send-
we want
next
to do
add
is
action. Button.
add action. So we double tap on add action.
Actions controller. Full screen.
So this is an action controller. So what I'm going to do, there's supposed to be an edit box here, so we're going to look for it.
Actions controller. Search for apps and actions.
Okay,
Search
so
field.
it's just the next one. So let's search. So
Search
I want
field.
to
Is
say
editing. Search for apps and actions.
Wi-Fi.
Tap E. Tap W. With tap W. I. India. I. F. Foxtrot. F. O. I. I.
So Wi-Fi. Let's see the
Action
results.
library. Search field is editing. Wi-Fi. Clear text. Cancel. But scripting. Get network details. Button. Set Wi-Fi. Button.
Okay, so this is what we're looking for. Set Wi-Fi. So I'm going to double tap
Set
it.
Wi-Fi. Actions controller. Full screen.
Set Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. Heading. Image.
So it's going to now come and say Wi-Fi heading.
Set Wi-Fi. Heading. Close. Button. Add as favorite. Button.
Add as favorites.
Add to shortcut. Button.
Add to shortcut.
Sets the device's Wi-Fi to on or off. Sets the device's Wi-Fi to on or
So
off.
it's now explaining that this shortcut sets your Wi-Fi to either on or off. We add it to shortcut.
Sets the device. Add to shortcut. Button. Add to shortcut.
Okay.
Show options menu. Button. Pop-up button.
So it's now telling us that show options menu.
Turn Wi-Fi on.
So it's not telling me that what it's going to do is turn Wi-Fi on. So
Remove action from shortcut. Button.
it's telling me to remove action from shortcut.
Turn Wi-Fi on. Edit. Actions. Activate.
So
Remove. Turn Wi-Fi on.
this turn Wi-Fi on has an action. So let me use Roda to go to the action.
Edit. Actions. Activate.
So there's action, there's activate,
Edit. State on.
there's edit. What state do I want it to be? Is it on or off? That when I activate this shortcut, it will be on. So it's currently on. So if I double tap this, it will either go to off or on. So let's go next.
Activate default. Edit. State on. Activate default. Edit. State
So
on.
that's what I want. I want it to be on.
Turn Wi-Fi off.
So it's telling me turn
Remove
Wi-Fi
action from
on.
shortcut. Turn Wi-Fi
So
off.
it's telling me turn Wi-Fi off now. Let me
Edit.
take
State
it back
off.
to
Activate
on.
default. Edit. State off.
On.
Turn Wi-Fi on.
I've done the first one. Remember, I said we are creating a shortcut that when my Wi-Fi is on, my mobile data will be off. So let's go and add
Remove
another
action from shortcut.
action.
Next action suggestions. Set mobile data. Set Bluetooth. Button.
So it's
Next
giving
action
me
suggestions. Button.
next
Heading.
action suggestions.
Set mobile data.
So this
Button.
is what we want. Set mobile data. So it suggested this for us, and this is what we really want. So let me double tap it.
Set mobile data. Show options menu. Button. Pop-up button.
Remember that sometimes when you are working here, the focus will always be jumping to the top. So you can always use your heading to come back to where you are. So if Wi-Fi is on, we want our mobile data off. So remember actions. We go to
Edit. Actions. Activate.
actions, then
Edit. Operation. Turn. Heading.
take note that it didn't show for Wi-Fi. So let's see what the operation is.
Search field. Selected. Turn. Toggle.
So what this operation is, do you want it to be a toggle?
Selected. Turn.
Do you want it to just be a switch that when you flip it, you can flip it back? That is a toggle.
Toggle.
That means when you activate it, it will come on, and activate it again, it will go off. but I can't put only this one as a toggle because the other one will be on. So if I toggle it twice, the Wi-Fi will stay on, but the mobile data will be changing. So there's no need to do that. Let's just do
Selected. Turn.
So let's just select, double tap this, turn.
Turn. Mobile data on.
So let's go to
Edit. Operation. Turn. Edit. State on.
So the state we want it in is
Turn. Mobile data off. Remove action from short. Turn. Mobile data off. Turn. Mobile data off.
Anytime I click on this shortcut, what it does is it will turn on my Wi-Fi and turn off my mobile data. So we are done. I went back to the top and click on
Show options menu. Done.
Done.
Button. Done. Shortcuts. Back button.
That's taking me back to shortcut. Remember, we didn't even name the shortcut. So let's go.
Edit. Button. Grid. Button. Create shortcut. All shortcuts. Search. Search field. Set mobile data to actions. Button.
Okay.
Mobile data
Let's
to
go.
actions.
Just go to
Button.
set mobile data. Then we go to the actions.
Delete shortcut. Duplicate shortcut. Edit shortcut.
Edit shortcut.
Set mobile data. Actions menu. Button.
So when I click on edit to edit the shortcut we created, the first thing
Set
that
mobile data.
you
Actions menu.
see is
Button.
the title of the shortcut. What we're supposed to do is double tap it before
Set mobile
even
data.
saving. Then we'll go to
Share. Button. Rename.
rename. So I'll double tap on it.
Button. Text field is edited. Turn. Mobile data off.
So that is the name. So we are going to
Remove action from shortcut. Next action suggestion. Remove. Turn. Show options menu. Button.
So the keyboard is
Button.
on.
Delete.
So I'm going to
Text
use
needs to edit.
edit to select
Select
all
all.
the words.
Set mobile data. Selected.
So delete.
Delete. Selection deleted.
So I'm going
Set
to
mobile
name
data.
it Wi-Fi.
Whiskey. Cap W. O. I. I. G. F. F. A.
Wi-Fi.
O. I. I. V. V. Delete. V. Space. Space. Cap N. November.
And
Cap N. Space. Space. Cap E. Cap M.
mobile.
Mike. Cap M. O. O. C. V. B. B. Mobility. J. I. In I. L. Lima. L. R. E. E.
And mobile. So
Space. Space. Done.
so on your keyboard, when you go to where you're supposed to press enter, you see done. So just double tap on done.
Wi-Fi and mobile. Actions menu. Button.
So the name has
Wi-Fi and mobile.
changed
Actions menu. Button.
to Wi-Fi and mobile. So that is it on how to create a shortcut on iPhone. But let me teach you something else.
Done. Wi-Fi and done.
So
Button.
we're done.
Done. Shortcuts. Back button.
So remember that we've done this one way. We want to go the other way, meaning when I turn off my Wi-Fi, I want my mobile data to come on. So
Decorate. Set right. Incorporate. Set. Wi-Fi and mobile. Two actions.
Wi-Fi and
Button.
mobile. So we'll check the actions,
Delete shortcut.
delete this shortcut,
Duplicate shortcut.
duplicate this shortcut, and this is what we need. We want to duplicate it because it already has the action we need. So let's just select it. So there are now two actions.
Wi-Fi and mobile one. Two actions.
So
Button.
it's not saying Wi-Fi and mobile one,
Wi-Fi and mobile. Two actions. Button.
Wi-Fi and mobile. So let's work on the Wi-Fi and mobile one.
Wi-Fi and mobile one. Two
So we're
actions.
going to go
Button.
to edit.
Delete shortcut. Duplicate shortcut. Edit shortcut.
Remember, you use your
Wi-Fi
ruler
and
to
mobile
go
one.
to
Actions
your
menu.
actions.
Button.
So now
Done. Button.
let's
Show options
edit
menu.
it.
Turn Wi-Fi on.
So
Remove action from shortcut. Turn Wi-Fi
so
on.
turn Wi-Fi on. Remember this acts an action.
Edit. State on.
State on.
Activate default. Edit. State on.
So we want it off.
Turn Wi-Fi off.
So
Turn Wi-Fi off.
when I turn my Wi-Fi off,
Remove action from shortcut. Show options menu. Turn mobile data off.
so mobile data will go back to actions
Edit.
too.
Operation. Turn. Edit. State off.
So change state to on.
Turn mobile data on.
So now we have the same actions. We've duplicated it and changed what the actions do. So let's go
Wi-Fi and mobile one.
and
Actions.
say
Done.
done.
Button. Done. Shortcuts. Back button.
So we're done. So thank you. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you have any comments, please drop. And if you love this video, drop a like for us. Subscribe to get more trainings. Thank you very much.